fairly blizzardy here in Newton, Massachusetts on February 9th, 2017. Blizzard warning not in effect here. Parts of Connecticut and Rhode Island are passing 14 inches of snow with thunder snow this morning. Got out of work at 7:30 last night, was in at 3 this morning, so I'm allowed to go home at 1 this afternoon. Be a civilian for the second half of the snowstorm. Go into the blizzard warning area on Route 128. I don't expect too much traffic. Route 128, snow covered. Traffic's moving 35 miles per hour. Other people probably have 2 hands on the wheel. I guess I should do that too. So we're moving right now, but until we meet one of those plow conga lines, we'll probably be okay. Made it to Braintree, almost to Weymouth. Are we in the blizzard zone? Kind of looks like it. Yeah, I love the Jeep and everything, but it's kind of a serious hill. I had to do some scraping first. It is a blizzard after all. Got these new traction things Mom gave me a long time ago, but I never wore them. If there was ever a day and ever a need for salt, I would say the blizzard of 2017 is the time and place for rock salt. Somehow I gotta get that guy in there without hitting any of them, or the ocean, or the kitchen. Oh, and by the way, I just shoveled this path like, I don't know, 10 minutes ago. Whew. Yeah, it's already drifted in a good inch of fluff. So it's an inch of fluff every 10 minutes now. 3:30, about 24 degrees. Is it even worth it trying to get it off? I want to get one more vehicle down in the garage. Rock salt seems to be working though. It's getting colder, but at least it'll make us a path to start with. As far as shoveling, it seems kind of fruitless. It's adding up so quickly. Be interesting to see if it blows right back where I put it, from where I took it to where I put it back to where it came from. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Girl would not be proud of me. Left the Jeep going so it wouldn't completely ice up and hit that. All the snow melting, refreezing as it goes down. It's a blizzard. Gotta get it in there. That's the goal. Woohoo! Not in there. All clear in the rear. All clear in the front. Let's park this rig. And let's go for a ride around the block first. Are we having a blizzard? Did it verify? Matt Noyes says it did verify in parts of Connecticut and Rhode Island. I'm gusting past 30 and 35 for sure, and I can see about 1 telephone pole length from here, going about 4 miles per hour, about 24 degrees. I'd estimate it's snowing close to 4 inches per hour right now. I'm gonna keep it in the low gear. Jeep Brothers, pay attention, Tim. That one's out. Guy could be kiteboarding though. You meet your neighbors in a snowstorm. And the guy with the California house or his kids are out there snow blowing. Dropping off, picking up. Plow guy just almost ran into me. I'm sure he's not happy that I'm out here and not plowing. There's a beach over there. A couple mailmen, DPW. It's basically a cluster. You're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. There's the plow guy who's not happy with any of us. Who's happy? I'm kind of happy. It's a fun storm. Well, Well, that didn't work out. I just wanted to go and turn around down there, and it was a huge cluster. Plow guy comes up at me, cuts me off as I'm going downhill, and I'm the idiot. So I pulled the U and came home. It is too dangerous out there. Plow guy owns the road. Oh, well, I'm a weatherman. I'm essential too. And how about this job coming down the driveway, full bore, stopping right there. Would have made the hole. No, I came down very slowly and carefully. I'm going to leave it there and see if I can back some snow out of the driveway in the morning. Sacrificing the fingers in the name of some video. February 9th blizzard of 2017. Temperature's gone from about 36 to 22. The visibility is actually improved now. It's still a blizzard, but geez. Of course, Tim's standing in the middle of the road making a video. Coming downhill, you just can't stop. I just slipped all the way down that hill. That's a Jeep. That's how he was able to stop at the stop sign and not run over the weatherman. I can't tell you how cold it is. It feels like the police came by and checked up on me. Plow guys aren't happy with me, but I have to document it. I'd estimate about 13, 14 inches. Winds gusting, well, winds sustained around 30, 35. Gusting 45 to 50. Snow drifts are now down to the waist high, obviously. And it's taking a front end loader to clean up around here now. Visibility is improving though. Snow is letting up. Bombogenesis. Okay, the heaviest snow is going out now. Visibility is back up over a half mile. So snow is no longer accumulating an inch an hour. It's like less than a half inch an hour, but it's still blowing. And underneath the snow on the roads is just pure ice. I'd say it's a good night for a movie and a pizza. Pizza and a movie at home, of course, I meant to say. Snow's pretty much done now, about 6 o'clock, but it's freezing. Buddy, you enjoying this snowstorm?